Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine too, thank you. Did you have breakfast this morning?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. So, are you ready for class today?
Yes, Miss.
All right. Before we start our lesson today, let me check your attendance first. Arnelis,
Present, Miss.
Ashifa Aperin,
Present, Miss.
Ayatu Shifa Astral, Atsilah Afika. Why? Short coming.
Sisik.
Oh, okay. Desya Wanda Setia Utami,
Present, Miss.
Diana Putri Ali,
Present, Miss.
Dinatul Husna Adrial,
Present, Miss.
Fauzana Aulia Akbar Razak. Oh, okay. Fauzana Nur Amini Lesmana. Gea Gusni Mayani. And Abiza Abusar, sorry. Okay. Okay, where the chairman? Okay, please, chairman, let your pair to play together. Please, Ayah.
Okay, everyone. Before we start our lesson, pray begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidnillahi hubba wa bil islami dina wa bil muhammadin nabiyyan wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman. Amin.
Okay, thank you. So, before we continue about our lesson today, I would like to tell you about our rules in the class. So, we have 3 rules. The first is no one should play the cell phone. So, you should keep the cell phone in the bag, okay?
Yes.
Okay, the second rule is everyone must to be pay attention when the teacher teaches. Okay, everyone must to be pay attention when the teacher teaches. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, and the last rule is if you want to go to the toilet, ask permission first. Okay, do you agree, students?
Agree, Miss.
Okay. Before we start our lesson next, I wanna ask you, do you still remember what was the last topic, our last meeting?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Annalise.
About label, Miss.
Okay, about the label. So, what is the label?
Miss.
Okay, Fauzana.
Label is writing attached to a product to provide information.
Okay, good. So, what is the information about the label?
Information about content, name, brand, introduction, or price.
Okay, good. So, Diana, I want to, can you mention what is the social function in the label?
Social function of the label is provides important details about the product and helps identify the product type.
Okay, that's good. So now, take a look at the picture, yes? Okay, student, what do you say about the picture?
Magic, Miss.
Okay, the rice cooker, right? So, what are the rice cooker usually for use? Okay, the cook the rice, right? Okay.
Yes,
So, before we cook the rice, of course we installed about the equipment, right?
Miss.
Okay, I wanna ask you now. So, who can knows what how to use operate the rice cooker? Okay, anyone knows? Okay, okay. Install the inner port, right? What else for the next steps?
Put the rice into the inner pot.
Yes, put the rice in the inner pot, right? So, what about the next steps? What? Okay, that's good. Okay, students. So, what you mentioned that how to operate this cooker is about the procedure take how to operate the rice cooker according to what our lesson today about manual text procedure. Mm, So let's see about the learning objective. The learning objectives student can be analyze the structure and linguistic characteristic of the procedural text or manual for identify the purpose of the each step and the instruction given. And the second is student can be compare their own procedural text with appropriate structure and language appropriate for explaining how to use a tool or curricular and systematic in procedure text manual. So you can see this is an example of procedure text manual. So the title is How to Operate the Television. So I want to ask you, what do you think about the title when we want to operate the rice cooker? What do you think about the tools? About the tools? Anyone?
Remote, Miss.
Yes, that's good. Raymond. What else? Okay, that's good. So let's see about the tools. When we operate the television, that is material, remote, and the television. Okay, after we put the about the material for the how to operate the television, we need one step, two step. So I wanna ask you, uh, um, what do you think about the first step when we want to operate the television? Anyone knows?
List.
Okay, that's good. What else?
Hidupin remote-nya, Miss.
Okay, that's good. So let's see about the step, the first step, how to operate the television. Okay, that's right. So I want to, Chipa, can you read the first step, how to operate the rice cooker?
First of all, plug the cable television into electricity.
Okay, that's good. So after we plug the cable, so what the second thing what you need to operate the television?
Colokin kabelnya, Miss.
What?
Oh,
Hidupin remote-nya lagi, Miss.
Okay, that's good. Anyone else? You can mention what we need to operate the television for the second steps.
hidupin TV-nya pakai remote.
Okay, anyone? Aviza, can you mention what the second first? What the second steps? Okay, let's see check what about the second steps. Okay. The second step when we want to operate the television is okay. Dina, can you read the second steps?
Okay. After that, press the power button to turn on the television.
Okay, thank you. So after we press the power button, what do you think for the third thing when we use to operate the television? Okay, Ayas, what do you think for the third steps?
Mungkin hidupin televisinya mungkin.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay, that's good. So like we check about the third step how to operate the television. So this is the third step when we want to use operate the television. So Desha, can you read the third steps for the operate the television?
Okay, next, wait a few seconds until the television show the picture.
Okay, that's good. So for the first step, what do you think we need to step want to operate the television? What the next steps?
Volumenya, Miss.
Why about the volume?
Atur volumenya.
Anyone else can answer for the four steps?
Cari siaran yang disukain ya.
Okay, that's good. So let's check about the fourth step. Okay, this is the fourth step when we want to operate the television. So, Didin, can you read the four steps?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's.
Choose the channel that you want to watch using the button of the remote.
Okay, after we choose the channel that you want to watch, so what the next step we can do to operate the television? What's the next step after we choose the channel that you want? Okay, the next answer.
Ganti channel yang diinginkan, Miss.
Okay, let's our check. Okay, so this is set the volume using the remote or button volume, right?
Yes,
Okay. Okay, what about the last steps when we operate the television? For the last step.
Matiin TV-nya, Miss.
Okay, that's right. So let's see about the last step. If you want to turn off the television, you can use the power button. Okay, that's right. Okay, so that is called we call is about the step or the procedure check how to use operate the television. So now we move to the about the generic structure in the text. But before that, I need one of you to help me to tick this in the whiteboard. So when the chairman, chairman, could you help me to stick in the whiteboard, please?
Mana, Miss? Ini enggak, Miss?
All of them. Okay, we fill up.
Ada kelihatan guys? Sini. Kejauhan nggak sih, Miss?
Ketua.
Dah.
Nampak ketua.
Ada lengah?
Satu lagi masih ada.
Di atas dikit.
Dah. Dah?
Oke. Empang ketua.
Empang? Are you sure?
Nggak apa-apa ketua.
Ketua pamit pulang dulu ya. Dadah.
Aman ketua.
Nampak sama saya jawabannya, Miss. Ada boleh, Miss? Tempelin ke potongnya aja.
Okay, let's see about the text. So in the text, we have three parts. So the first is how to operate the television. So the first is this text about the, what do you think for this part? Do you know what is how to operate the television? Yes, the title. So in this how to operate television is the title. That's right. But in the procedure text, we don't call the title. So for the procedure text, we call the title to aim or call. So this part we call about aim or call. Okay. Okay, what about this one? What do you think about this one?
Alat. Alat, Miss.
Okay, what do you say in English alat?
Material.
Okay, material, that's good. So we can call the tools in procedure text is material. Okay, that's good, student. Okay, how about this section? Before that, we already know about the aims from the procedure text and material provided to procedure text. But sometimes in procedure text do not provide material. So we just guess about the material. We read about the title from the procedure text. So from the example, how to operate the blender. So the material from how to operate the blender is a blender. That's good. So what about how to operate the laptop? What is the material?
Laptop, Miss.
Okay, that's good. Do you understand so far?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's see about this section, this part. So, what do you think about this part? Langkah-langkah. Okay, what you say in English? Langkah-langkah. Okay, that's good. We can say this section is about the step. Okay, that's good. Okay, student. From the part of the script, for the part of the procedure text, we have three parts: generic structure, right? So, can you mention what it is? Generic structure. The Okay, that's good. The next? What the second? Okay, next. The last about the generic structure? Okay, so we have three generic structure. The first is aim or goal. The second is material. And the last is the step. Okay. So now I want to you see about this part. This part with the several colors, right? So what do you think? Why have a different colors? Okay, that you don't know. Okay, that's okay. So now we discuss about analyzing about the linked feature from the procedure text. So come on, please attention. So what do you think about the dark green? Can you mention what is the part? It is the adjective or noun on some on noun. Do you sure this is a noun?
Yes,
Ija?
Miss. Action verb, Miss.
Action verb. Okay, let we check about the dark green. Let's see about this. So the dark green is we call about the several of sequence. So the dark green is we can call several sequence. So the several sequence, for example, is the first, second, the last, and etc. Now, what about the pink one?
P.
Could you mention what is the action verb? What else? What do you think? Dina, what do you think about the pink one? Action verb. Okay, let's see check about the pink one, right? So let's we check. So that's right. So the pink one we call about the action verb. Now, what about the blue one? Who can mention what this part? What do you think? Are you sure, Fauzana? Arnelis, what do you think about the blue one? Adjective. Are you sure that adjective? Okay.
Yes, Miss.
That's okay. So let me check about the blue one. So the blue one is about the conjunction. Conjunction, it means the process to another process. For example, the conjunction in this procedure text is after that, next, and then, and etc. Okay, what about the yellow one? Do you want to know what about the yellow one? What? Okay, Perintah. Anyone else? About the yellow one?
Yellow.
Yes. Imperative. So let's see about the yellow one. So the yellow one is That's right, imperative sentence. Okay. Okay, that's good, students. So the yellow one is we can call is imperative sentence. So for example is wait, choose the channel, set the volume using, and etc. So what the color? Okay, yes, the green. So you see this is present tense. Okay, what about you, Fauzana? The green one we can call past tense, past tense or simple present. Are you sure past tense or present? Okay, let's see. About the green one is called simple present tense. Oh, the last about the orange one. What what do you think about the green one? Are you sure? Time, adverb time. Are you sure, Faustina? Why you silent? Keep silent. You don't know what this sex. Okay, let's see about the orange one. We can call the orange one with adverb of time. Oh wait, so who can know several example of the few for the adverb of time? For example, a few seconds. Okay, that's good. So what else? One day? No. So the example of adverb of time, for example, a few seconds, 5 or in 2 hours, and etc. Okay. Okay, students, after we learn about the generic structure or and language feature from the procedure text, now I want to ask you about the social function. So, what is the social function actually from the procedure text? What do you think about the social function? Can you mention, Arnelis? Can you mention what is the social function? Okay, Desha? Okay, that's good. How to do something, right? Okay, that's good. Okay, student, do you understand so far? Okay, that's good. Okay, now to sharpen your understanding about our material today, I will divide you to several groups. One group consists 2 people. Okay, so make a circle. Please make a circle. Yes, 2 people. Okay. Okay, this is Awana for you. Okay. Okay, this is for you. Abang tuh. Abang tuh. You wanna radio?
No. Others?
Rice cooker? You don't know. Okay, you get an.
Kucing nggak ada, Miss.
No.
Miss.
Do you want a blender?
Blender aja.
Blender? Okay, that's good. attention, please, students. So the task, write the procedure manual text according the theme in the several group and make it with the generic structure that we have learned. Okay, I will give you 17 minutes. So, please group. If there's something do you understand, please ask to me. Okay. Okay. Please group your group work. Okay, how you just operate there?
Dapat sekai kipas angin, Miss.
Okay,
Sekai. Turn on.
make with the generic structure. Okay. Okay. The material is
Fan.
the
The fan.
okay.
And the cable.
You how to use rice cooker.
To operate or use, Miss?
That's same. How to operate and with use as a step. So what the material?
Belum lagi, Miss. Sabar dulu ya, Miss. Rice cookernya. Cok raut. Jangan, Miss.
Okay, the rice cooker.
Miss. Rice-nya, Miss.
No, we learn about how to operate something, not
Not make ya, Miss.
and yes, not make something, but operate the something. Okay, what about this?
Ini betul, Miss.
Betul nak Miss nak?
How to operate the blender? Okay, that's good. Material is blender. Okay,
Stepnya Miss.
the first is
Look the cable blender
Into
electricity.
okay. What about the second step?
After
Hidupin
that,
tombol, Miss. Hidupin tombolnya, Miss. Ya, Miss.
oh masukin dulu barang apa yang mau di blender.
Put in the
Listrik
material.
electricity.
Electricity. Electric. That's yes. That's good.
In blender. Oh. Ya, Miss.
Put the first
After that, put the fruit
food to the blender.
to the
Blender.
and then Miss tutup blendernya, Miss.
Pencet. Ya, tutup dulu.
Close after.
Ya, Miss.
Ya, Miss. Ya, Miss.
Huh?
Sediakan apa bahasa Inggrisnya, Miss?
The sediakan provide. Who you provide?
Yes, Miss. Thank you,
Provide.
Miss.
Okay. Provide the
Fan. The fan first. Plug in the cable, not plug but plug.
Plug cable in.
Are you sleepy, Amelis?
SIM A ada begadang.
Plug the
The cable in the electricity. Ya kan,
yes,
Miss?
yes. In electricity.
kamu mau aku nulis kayak gini. Ya, aku nggak bisa gini. Di sana aku contek nih.
Group C almost finished, right?
Dikit lagi, Miss.
Yeah,
Kalau kayak gini, betul, Miss.
Jadi, Miss.
that's it.
Betul.
Of the blender. You mentioned the turn on,
Iya, ini, Miss.
turn on, and the turn
Turn
off. Okay, that's good for group 3. How about the group?
Kami lambat Miss, kami belum makan.
Tulisan.
Select cooking. Pencet. Select cooking mode. Wait until cooking complete. Tapi kok menggunakan yang ada bahasa nasi dong.
This is an operate, not make something.
Tunggu sampai itu tuh di situ dia. Sama kayak gitu. Wait a few. Okay. And then what is wait.
Okay, have you finished the dance?
Belum lagi, Miss.
Okay. Finish?
Nana ada sih ya, Nana?
Coretnya sama Nana, Miss.
Dinatur belum, Miss?
Gak jelas kami les gitu.
Iya. Aku les ya. Kami les sayang ibu. Iya, les apa tuh? Unrated.
Okay, student. Finish?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. So which one come to forward first? Okay, the group 1. Let's please.
Oke, jangan kita pahami.
Hai, Pat.
Okay. We are from group 1. I would like to present about procedure text manual. Sudah kami bikin. Okay.
We have okay.
We have made. The title is how to The title is How to Turn on the Fan. One time fan.
Fan.
Materials used in Barcelona textiles is fan and cable. The cable. And the step is first, first provide the fan. And the second, plug the cable in the electricity. And the third is press the button power on in the fan. And the last fan is on and swing back.
Okay, give applause to group 1.
Thank you.
Okay, which one group want to from?
Group 2.
Okay. Please, group 2. Will you speak louder, okay?
Oke teman-teman, di sini kami mempunyai rice cooker. Oke, jadi kami make how to operate rice cooker and material, rice cooker and electricity. This.
Okay,
Okay,
good.
the next is the step. The first is plug the cable television into electricity. After that, press the power button to turn on or off. And next, select the cooking mode.
Okay, that's good.
And then wait until cooking complete and the rice cooker can to you.
Okay, that's good. Give applause to group 2. Okay, what about the group 3? Please come to forward.
Nah, dari kemarin.
Speak louder, okay?
This is blender. Blender. Kecil kan blender lagi. Apa yang besar-besar?
How to operate blender. The materials is blender and electricity, not electricity. Electricity, miss.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's okay.
Step first, plug the cable blender into electricity.
Okay.
After that, put the fruit to the blender. And next, close poker blender and press the forward button to turn on the blender. After that, turn off the blender.
Okay, that's good. Give applause to our server group.
Kurangi nilainya ya, Miss.
Okay, how do you feel? Do you understand about our material?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So now I will give you an assignment, but from individual. Okay?
Yes, miss.
Okay. I want. No, not cheating. Okay, not cheating. This is an individual assignment.
Boleh kerjanya ketutup tuh, Miss, biar
No.
nggak
Ya.
No.
Susah.
The rules in our class is
No cheating.
not shoot with cell phone, so you can not do chocolate.
Nana. Jadi Nana mau pakai.
Okay, students, the task is, okay, pay attention. Okay, the task is write the about the procedure text and then analyze about the generic structure and language feature and make in the column we prepare in here. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Do you understand about the task?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. I will give you 10 minutes. Okay. If there's anything, do not something, please ask me.
Mama.
Nanti kamu.
Ih. Miss, nanti ini di presentasi kan, Miss?
Yes. What?
Semua nggak, Miss?
Suruh Iis pertama.
Apa kok? Pakai
Jawab,
ini lagi.
jawabnya di
Pakai itu di ayo.
Miss,
Kamu mau bukan siap?
atau itu
Huh?
Kayak gitu.
That's same, but in the procedure text we not call the title, but in the procedure text we call with aim or goal.
oh I see.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes, Miss, yes.
Okay,
Miss, pinjam pena, Miss.
okay. That's
Oke, Miss.
okay. Now it's make easy, right? Okay, that's okay.
Okay, Miss.
What about the limit feature?
Ini Miss sudah ditandai. Nanti mau bikin.
Okay.
Ada betul itu. Ini apa?
First,
Adversarial of sequence yang first after that.
yeah, that's good.
When imperative.
Okay, write in the column, right?
Miss.
Miss malu.
Are shiny?
Dia nggak kerja, Miss. Dia main
Diana, make your individual assignment.
Set method-nya ini.
Work smart.
Ya kan, Miss? Itu kan, Miss?
ditulis berapa males kali.
But the limit feature, please write in the column.
Ini, Miss.
Limit features.
Ini, Miss.
Oh, okay. Why you?
No, Miss. Saya
Oh,
rajin.
okay. Okay, student, 5 minutes left.
Boleh ditandai aja kan, Miss.
Tulis lah.
Kamu aja sama kok.
Ini masuk imperatif nggak Miss? Yang ini.
Put yes, put is imperative. put the battery.
Insert nih boleh, Miss?
Insert.
Imperatif juga.
I think that's not.
Simple present.
Yes,
Miss.
that's simple present.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Gini, Miss.
Okay. That's good. Okay, student, the time is up. Okay, pay attention. Okay, I wanna you come forward to present the result about the individual assignment.
Nana, Miss.
So, who want to come forward?
Nana, Miss.
Okay, Fauzana, come forward to present about the assignment individual.
The goal or aim is how to insert SIM card and cell phone. The material is SIM card, and the step is first of all press the locking pad and slide the cover, then lift in of the phone. After that, push to catch in the opposite direction and remove the battery. Next, slide the SIM card carefully into the phone and make sure that the golden connect are facing to the connector of the phone. Then, put the battery and align it until snap into its place. Finally, insert the two pads of the back cover corresponding slot in the phone and slide the cover forward button of the phone until locked in place. Don't forget to switch on the cell phone. Wait until it's ready to use.
Okay.
What about the language features? The simple present tense is in the first. Yang ini. Press the looking pad and slide the cover, then lift it off the phone. And proverbial of six pads is first. After that, yes. After that, next, then finally, and using imperative like put the battery, and action verb like push, remove, and insert, and using conjunction.
Okay. Okay, give applause to Fauzana. Okay, student, what about your answer as the same with Fauzana? Or as have a different answer? The same answer or the different answer?
Ada Miss tadi di bagian materialnya Nana ketinggalan.
Okay, for the next presentation, I wanna Aviza come to forward for the presentation about the result individual assignment.
Bacain semua.
Okay, just structure.
Oke. The goal or aim, how to insert SIM card cell phone. Material atau equipment, SIM card, dan cell phone. Stepnya, first of all, press the looking catch and slide the cover, then lift it off the phone. After that, push to catch in the opposite direction and remove the battery. Next, slide the SIM card carefully into the slot and make sure that the golden connect are facing to the connector of the phone. Then put the battery and
Why?
align it until snaps into its place. Finally, insert the two catches of the back cover corresponding slot in the phone and slide the cover forward button of the phone until locks into place.
Place. So how about the
Language feature. Adverbial of sequence first.
Hmm?
Conjunction after that. Next. Then finally.
Okay.
Action verbnya press push. Imperatifnya put the battery and align it until snap into its
Okay.
simple presentnya insert the two catches of the back cover.
Okay, that's good. Give an example to Afiza. Okay, one more. Who wants to come to present? Okay, Diana. Come on.
Then
Okay, you read present about the structure and the language feature of the how to insert SIM card solver.
okay. Well, in R8, how to insert SIM card in cell phone. Materials is phone and SIM card. Steps or methods. The first one is the first of all. Press the locking cage and slide the cover, then lift in it off the phone. After that, push the cage in the opposite direction and remove the battery. Next, slide the SIM card carefully into the slot and make sure that the golden connectors are facing to the connector of the phone. Then, put the battery and align it until snaps into its place. Finally, insert the two cages of the back cover corresponding slot in the phone and slide the cover forward button of the phone until locks into place. Don't forget to switch on the cell phone. Wait until it is ready to use.
Okay, that's good. How about the language feature?
Language feature. Simple present tense in the text procedure. Press the locking cage like the cover forward button of the phone using adverb of sequence. First, after that, next, then, and finally. Using imperative, put the battery. Using action verb, push, remove, and etc. Using conjunction, insert, next, after that, and then.
Okay, that's good. Give an example to Diana. Okay, student, please pay attention. Okay, student. After we learn about the manual procedure text, who can conclude what is the actually about the procedure text manual? Who can conclude what is the actually about the procedure text? Okay, does anyone know to conclude? Okay, what is the generic structure from the procedure text? And the steps. So, what is the actually about the procedure text? What is the procedure text, Charlie? Okay, Desha?
Procedure next, learn about the how to operate or use something.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Dina, you want to speak? Okay, that's okay. And what about Afiza? Can you conclude our material today about the procedure text? Okay, that's good. That's okay.
After video of sequences, ada action verb, ada conjunction, ada imperative sentence, ada verb of time, ada tiga present tense nih.
Okay, that's good. So, what can you get after learning this topic? What can you get? Okay, Lilis.
Able to use tools or do things according to the instruction.
Okay, that's good. Are there any part of the procedure text that you find difficult to understand, students?
No, Miss.
Are you sure, no?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, that's good. And do you feel happy after learning about our material today?
Happy.
Louder, are you feeling happy?
Happy.
Okay, that's good. All right, students. I think that's all for our material today. And thank you for your participation. See you in the next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.